How to set a Spotify song as ringtone. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Spotify application on your device. Log into your account. Now, you can simply head towards your library or select any song from your offline playlist. After that, you can simply tap on three dots of this particular song. Now you'll see different options like listen to music ad free, remove from your library, download, add to other playlists here, and many more. So, in order to set ringtone, what you need to do is first tap on download option and you need to download your song on your device first. This requires a Spotify premium subscription. Once the song is downloaded to your phone's library, you can go to your phone settings and select the downloaded song as your ringtone. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Hit the bell button so we will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.